Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Compaq Series display, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable automatic contrast mode. So to do it, open my menu, then scroll down using the minus button and switch to image control. Wait a while, so sorry. Do it again, image control, click OK, and here you will see dynamic contrast ratio. Click minus button to scroll down, click OK, and here you can enable or disable this mode. So, for example, enable it, click OK, and then click save and return. I don't want to use this feature because it works not good. And save and return, exit, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.